Ciao! Today we are making a quick and easy chunky pasta sauce recipe that you can make even when you don't have a lot of time. Let's get started. First, let's peel an onion and chop it. We will be using about half of a small onion. Then, let's peel a garlic clove and also cut it into small pieces. Then let's get a saucepan and add extra virgin olive oil to it. Next, let's add in the chopped onions and we'll set the temperature to low heat. Stir the onions occasionally and cook them until they become soft and translucent. Then let's add in the chopped garlic and continue to cook on low heat. Cook the garlic for about 1 to 2 minutes. Keep an eye on the garlic to make sure it doesn't burn. Next, let's add in a can of whole peeled tomatoes, and using the wooden spoon, let's break up the tomatoes a bit. Then, let's season it with finely ground sea salt and a pinch of oregano. If you would like it a bit spicy, you could also add some crushed pepper flakes at this point as well. Now let's cover with the lid, increase the temperature to medium heat and bring to a boil. Once it boils, let's turn it back down to low heat and let it simmer for about 15 minutes. While it's simmering, stir it occasionally. In the last minute of simmering, let's add a couple of fresh basil leaves. Check out our next video for more easy recipes. Buon appetito!